It
7.
just sounds weird to me.
That's 618.
Yeah, Rad, get on over here.
Yeah, Rad, you're gonna have to.
You have to fight Dan for my shed, but one of you two guys can use it.
Although you can't be allergic to cats. We have a list over the spare room, the other bedroom. Who's famous people who've been here. On the couch, you have a little sign. Coach Hugo was here last. Ted Bundy never visited though. Definitely the cats. Well, that's the infamous person's still here. It's a slow drift down. Just keep lowering your stops, people. We will be stopped out. Yep. Make the trip by bike. That'll be good workout. You know. Saves gas. I'll catch the next short trade, guys. I'm flat. So we'll catch the next short. And just like the previous one, my downside target will still be 782. If anyone's still in, really tighten your stops up more. If you want to re-enter, maybe re-enter around 850, 33, 850 or so. You're allergic to cats, huh? Uh-oh. Did you hear that, Chrissy? It's allergic to you. Uh-oh. It's probably me you're allergic to. It's not the cat. That's true. Right now, I'm flat, guys, looking for a re-entry on the short. I am very confident I will get back in short, so I'm not worried.
And I would be happy to see this just go ahead and get on down to that 571 from yesterday. It would be very trendy. Get it?
Good morning, Sipowicz. Our first trade was, well, actually, earlier, some of the earlier birds did take the first short, first touch rule right here at 7:19 or 7:10 a.m. I wasn't in here, but I did get in on the 16 range short, 16 tick roll trade at 880. Just went flat, and I'm waiting for a little bit more of a rally, and I'm going to re-enter this thing when the stochastics are finished correcting. So not missing anything, just this little reaction. Instead of giving back some profit, I'm just waiting to reestablish. And I'll get in there for the ride with everybody else. There's a few people still short, I believe, and I'm going to join them. And the numbers were posted in the alerts right up above. So we're all ready for that. It's a very narrow range and an inside day. So I would not be surprised to see a 30-minute breakout. Look to re-enter this short, guys. Good morning, David.
We are going to be good gentlemen here. Rudy says he's going to be ready by this afternoon to start calling trades.
Oh,
Perfect.
He's not going to be ready. He might be, actually. I don't know. Not far off.
Just point out one of the setups and say, there's the setup.
Point. Yeah, that's all you got to do.
You don't have to predict it, just after it occurs.
So the big question we have is, what is a good setup?
Hmm.
What is a good setup? And I'm still waiting for Rudy to answer the question.
How about 16 range, stochastic hook?
What makes it a good setup? Sorry.
After I tell you after that trade's over. You
Yeah.
don't know in advance.
What makes it a good setup?
Coin flip is good as long as you manage it well. How about this, guys? Heads go long, tails go short, and then manage it. If it's heads, go, I don't like it, get out. If it's tails, say, oh, this is good. I wanted to be short anyway. And then you manage it. Nope, it's not. Actually, it's not gambling. The risk management is gambling is when you risk. The difference in gambling on a lottery ticket, it's loss or gain. There's no managing, right? You buy a lottery ticket, your dollar is your risk. You're going to lose it all. You have no control and say, I don't like the way this is going. Let me only lose 20 cents. In gambling, you risk all of your money. I don't risk all of my money. So if you take a short trade, now read Trading in the Zone, it'll explain the difference, which is a great explanation, by the way. Gambling is when your complete chance of ruin versus complete chance of gain. That would be like me saying, go short right now and only get out if you get a margin call from your broker. No matter how high it goes, stay with it. That's gambling. And wait for 782, our target. That's gambling. You're rolling the dice. Trade management is go short here. If it goes against you by 25 points, 30 points, get out. Big difference. Right now, guys, I am short. I re-entered here at 834. Original stop was 60. I'm taking one off. My target now is still 782. Okay, it's called a stochastic hook trade or top of the Bollinger Band. So I'm back in with you guys who are short, still short. When the market starts creeping up, I usually unload my position and then reestablish as it hooks back up the other way. You can take one off here if anybody re-entered. This is for re-entries only. If you're still trailing, stay with it. Original traders, stay with it.
Order filled.
If you re-entered, take one off here at 813. 33, 813. And your next target is 782, the original target of this trade to begin with. The only difference, because that's 100 points from the trade. That's a 100-point target from the call. We went short at 882. I covered my last trade at 814. Right down here, when it rallied back 20 points, I reestablished the short trade. So I left 20 points retracement on the table. Now, you guys who are staying with it, no big deal, right? You're down 60, you're up 60 points. It goes back up 20 points. So you gave up 20 points of profit, but now it's back down there to new low anyway, right? What do you care? You're still trailing. Me, I'm greedy. I don't like to give back a nickel in profit.
Wants to see his bank account grow every time.
Yeah, here we go.
Never going backwards.
So now it's a profitable trade for this one. So this way, anyone who didn't get in, who was late, actually had a chance to get back in at 834. Those who missed all three trades are just wimps. That's all. The only thing I can clarify, it's like you see the trade and go, yeah, but I'm afraid. 782 is the final target. Everybody's still in, right? Or got in again. You're either still in or you got in again.
Die, you dirty dog.
And that's why I don't label it, Snails, as gambling. I manage my trades. Every single trade, I manage it. You can't manage a deck of cards. Does that help, guys? Because we think it's gambling. It's not. Gambling is you let the dealer pull the card. You get blackjack, you win. I do have one final bid at 782. Where's your stop now, Robert? Very good. You can pull it down a little bit more, like 828. $825 was support, and that was broken. If it goes back above $825, it's a little bullish. So I would just keep it around 828. Here we go, guys. Everybody's still in, right? Pro traders, Elite Traders take some more off at 782, guys. 782. Our Elite Traders start covering between this 800 and 782. The next 20 points is your cover zone. Good job, Ramon. Fritz, you too. Between 800 and 782. Scale in, basically. If you had 5 contracts, you do every 4 ticks, right? You would do 800, 796, right? 792, 788, and 782, like that. It's called scale out trading. Here's your 96.
Order filled.
We've got a whole bunch of people short. Who's still short? Who's still short? Mike, good job. Spy. Fritz, Sloan, Kurt, good. Just keep, now lower your stop 2 more ticks, Robert. I've got 1 left, 794 just hit. Now I've got 1 left. The total for both trades was 66 points for one and 40 for the other one. So if you add both of them together, it's a 104-point winner, right? If you think about it, even though we didn't get a 100-point target from the first entry yet, I'm up over 104 points by waiting for that little push back up. Now, the big number for the rest of the day is 609, guys. And we open in, what, 12 minutes, right? Somebody's front running us. They're buying it at 88. I would go flat here at 88, guys. which I am. I'm giving up 6 ticks.
Do you mind if we keep calling stops for people who want to trail?
Sure.
All right. Rudy, you ready for some calling stops?
Yep.
So we're still using 804 as a stop.
Sounds good.
Probably tighten that puppy up a little bit if we wanted to. Oh, 804 is a stop. We're gonna leave it there for a minute.
Order filled.
There you go, guys.
Order filled.
The rest of you, take profits. Get out. The 782 target's been hit. The others just trail.
Yep, just trail.
Can't lose. Got 100 points, guys.
And we still have time for the open.
Also, there's some tape buying in here, so you didn't get hurt. Nobody held on. You know who
86
needed help? Anyone not take these trades?
or 92.
Anyone miss both trades?
This one did go green.
Is there anyone who missed both trades? Please let us know.
Now is the time.
Yep,
Now is the time.
we'll help you get started with these things. Great job, everybody.
I get what you
Coach and Rudy are going to call the trailing stops for you. For the rest who's still in. Yeah, well, you came in a little late, that's all, right?
We're
Yeah.
gonna go ahead and go to 800. 795. Look at that. That's perfect.
The
795.
last entry was 834. The first one was 880.
You guys have
guys
multiple
just
contracts?
have
One
to-
contract left? Sorry, Coach, go ahead.
Just put it this way, guys. You could be stopped out. What's the big deal if it's a reasonable stop?
You guys have multiple contracts? One contract left? I need to know that for stop management purposes.
Where's your stop, Coach? Where are you calling for the rest?
Right now we're at 95. 795.
795. All right.
But I got 2 contracts left.
Mm-hmm.
So if there's anybody with more contracts, leave one a little looser. Give yourself a little wiggle room.
But the pro people are 795 using, right? Elite traders.
Yep. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Well, I thought they already took profits.
Yeah, 2 of them got out at 82
Perfect.
because
Yeah,
there's
that's
some
fine.
tape buying coming in right now, guys. It should go a little higher.
Good target, Coach.
It doesn't matter, guys. You know, you get one target or the other. That's why we call it a power exit point. And we're ready for the, in 10 minutes, it's going to open up. And then no trading for the first 6 minutes. Want to see what market open orders do. Nine minutes, we open up. By the way, for later, our 609, 33,609 is the downside big support for the day. And that certainly could turn the daily chart down. Right now, daily, again, is still floundering here. See daily chart. Still inside that range. But if you can see, if it closes down here or lower, it'll eventually turn that 5-period moving average down. So that's what we're going to keep an eye out for.
Oh, and don't forget, everybody, as everybody's showing up, we do have, when we slow down mid-morning, you guys want to stick around for this or get on the mobile app and listen to it when you're out and about. Mid-morning, Mr. David Elliott will be joining us for a little Q&A session. Coach and I will kick it off, kind of get David started talking, ask him some questions. Members, you're encouraged to be here to participate probably after the 10:30 reversal sometime, somewhere between that and 11. We'll have him join us on the mic for kind of an open air question and answer session. I think it's going to be great for everybody. Obviously, you guys know that David's a phenomenal trader in his own right. Helps us a ton in the sense of, we always tell you guys that we should be more or less a guide for you. You shouldn't be, coach says trade setups will occur and you just press the sell button. Come on. We should be more of a confirmation tool that you did the right thing than the trade caller. So David's kind of that guy, and he's I don't think we're going to record this, Sloan. It's going to be a kind of one-off thing. But I'm sure David will join us more times in the future. Just,
as you can see, guys, the market is turning up. The rest of you should be out of your short positions.
Yeah, well, your stock got hit, so you should be flat. Can always re-enter, guys. I don't know if Coach went through a disclaimer yet or not. Let's see. Anybody newer to us?
Yep.
You guys make sure that you are asking questions, participating. It really does take a couple months for newer people to get in tune, if you will, with the way we do things, how we do things. So anybody new member or on trial with us, anywhere in that category, I encourage you to schedule a call with a coach and let's get you going in the right direction, at least to begin with. Let us get you going in the right direction. And then once you kind of have the hang of it, you can take care of yourself. We do encourage most people to start at the pro level. Now, if you've been trading for years and you really understand the markets, you really understand trading, and you're already a consistent trader, you could probably start at the standard level. But if you really think that you need to reinforce entries, targets, trailing stops, managing the trade, anything like that, you need help with that, we do encourage that you join the pro level so we can give you help with that. Lots of videos, lots of live classes, lots of interaction with us. Plus, you get a couple coaching sessions to get you started. So no trading for the first 6 minutes. No trading for the first 6 minutes. And guys, again, anybody new, even if you just joined as a member, schedule a coaching call. There's a button on the main website. Schedule a call. You can do a 15-minute phone call to point you in the right direction, and it will be tremendous for your benefit here. All right.
Just about always, Damien, unless, sick or computer problems or cat problems.
Yeah, usually, Damien, around 8 a.m.
Yeah.
Somewhere around 8 a.m. Eastern.
I got you scheduled in there, Greg. Yep, I got you on the calendar. We still have that, like I said, that Sakasa buy signal, but that is counter trend. Again, we'll at the risk of overwarning everybody, and can't warn you too much. Again, Coach reiterated what I said before. You just start out, just wait. Exhibit patience. That's the first, basically, skill level that you're going to learn. Also, for you pro traders, again, or someone's been successful for a few years, we have the number one support and resistance on the planet. So whatever you're doing, that's like entering Top Gun. You're good, we'll make you better, because we've got the best on the planet. There's no one better. There's no trader that's going to come in here that is better than what we're doing. That's like saying you're the best high school football player and quarterback. Well, we're Tom Brady. Okay.
If you're horrible at it, and you're horrible at all at it, we'll at least teach you how to listen to the Flight of the Valkyrie music and ride Snoopy's house with him.
And we have good jokes too. Good euphemisms. I'm still trying to find out that pillow thing. Good analogies, metaphors, alliteration, poetry, everything. Anything you possibly could want is here.
Pillow powders.
A new vocabulary, a new accent. You can get whatever accent you want. You can get like from Brooklyn to Georgia.
Got to be Chevy Chase's character from Caddyshack in my little putt-putt outing on Saturday.
Chevy Chase, yeah, that was a great movie. I love that. That and Dumb and Dumber. When you really want to just relax and laugh, that's fun. Hey guys, minute and a half. Don't be surprised to see a bounce and a reestablishment. So you will always have two institutions battling, not among themselves, but there will be institutions that have sell orders above. So they're going to try to push it higher, and they're going to have other institutions with buy orders below, right? Somebody in a narrow range, especially. So the problem is we don't know which ones are going to start first. No one knows. The only way you find out is by watching. Now, obviously, guys, if you went short at 6 o'clock in the morning and you're short at 9:47, we'll stay in there. By the way, our volatility, just as a reminder, is 172. All right, 172. Mass chaos in the open, yeah. And traders try to figure it out on themselves and they get burnt. 172 is what we're saying is going to be the range of the swings during the day. Coming up now. Let's see how accurate they are. And we are 15 seconds away. It's going to be fun. Open for business.
Look at that. Oh, wait. Now Coach, go ahead. I'll let you do the.
No, we're open for business.
Oh, that was a little lackluster. We're taking auditions now officially for somebody to do the official "We are open for business."
And S1 is right there, guys. You can see that pivot, 743. Six minutes. We like to see you guys just wait and watch.
Sorry about that. I didn't get through that part of my disclaimer, Coach. Yeah, those of you newer, please, no trading for first 6 minutes.
No, you did.
Oh, I did? Okay.
Yeah, I did. You did.
All right.
This is the third time. They've been warned.
Okay, you've
They've
been
been warned.
warned.
Yeah.
Now, we do have traders that will trade through the open. Even though this one looks like kind of hard open to trade through, so probably nobody's doing it this morning. There are some people more experienced I mean, you could be like me, up to, close to $800 for the day and still be trailing a trade.
It could be.
So
That
guys,
little W right there, guys, little tiny W. That's what's called a W. You would have to be a counter trend trader to take it.
but
3 16-tick buy signals in a row, right? And you would get out. No buy stops, Tom. We're flat right now. Your buy stop should be 25 to 30 points from your entry if you were short. Please do not short down here. The institutions are going to buy it up so they could sell it. Remember, don't be surprised to see it go up 172 points, okay? What you should have done, were you here earlier, Tom? Or are you just coming in now? Tom 24, are you here earlier? Yeah, you shouldn't be trading right now. That's what we're telling you. That's what I'm telling you, at least. Telling you the market was going to go up. The institutions are pushing it up so they could short it. So if you're sitting there while Goldman Sachs is buying, not a good idea. And I warned you. Now, were you here earlier when we were calling the short trades? Yes or no? Like at 8 o'clock Eastern time. Okay. Yeah, well, that's when I started calling. We did, there were 2 trades. That is the deal. This is where some people came in early. This was the first touch rule short here. And then when I got in, I called the short here with a 100-point target. That's what we had. Once we got the 100-point target, I am out. I take my profits. I don't fool around against the institutions. If you want to do that, do it at your own risk. We see this every day. Everybody gets excited. They want to get in short because they missed the previous one, and the market rallies. And they keep making the same mistake over and over and over. Of course, the trend is down, but you wait till the rally's over. Where did you go short? Please follow. Set up a call here. Set up a call. You'll get this open scenario and nail it. Trust me, it took me 49 months to get it. Because it flies in the face of logic. Ask anybody who's spoken with me and coach. We try to teach you what not to do first. If you want to short somewhere, put a sell limit at the daily pivot. We're rallying almost 100 points from the low. Anyone here remind you of that? Anyone here told you it might rally over 100 points? Me. Brian, you're not still short, are you? Still short, are you?
no, we were flat and then waiting for the institutions to get it pushed up and Good. Look for another short. We're keeping a very simple plan here, Coach.
Beautiful.
No long trades. We're in a downtrend, Rad. We are in a down. Unless we change the rules, I think we're in a downtrend. So we're not taking long trades.
And Rad, what if we did? Would you do it?
Is it in your plan to do it?
Yeah. Okay. So even if I did, don't do it. I'm not doing. I'm pointing out some people ask, well, they ask during the day, what's a W trade? What's an M? So we show them. That doesn't mean we showing somebody else a trade. This would have been a W. In other words, if this were an uptrend day, you see it go down, it tests a low, and then it breaks above the midpoint. That is what we call a W. This is what we call an M, right? Goes down, tries to go make a new high, and then breaks here, and then goes down. So we're just, and again, that's a 16 tick rule. So just, again, wait 6 minutes, and then we can have fun. Right now, it's 6 minutes are up.
Al, let it push up a little bit, guys, and let's get a good sell signal. What do you think, Coach?
Yeah, that's what I am looking for.
Same here.
Guys, you remember where we went short? How about that? The original one that we called was 880. The other one was 834. So we're almost where we did the second short trade, which was 834. So you see, no one missed anything. No one missed anything by waiting. And Rad, Rad, you tell us, where's the next resistance? How about that? Go ahead and calculate it. We've been doing this for months now. You should know. Tell me where the next resistance is per our favorite measure of resistance. I'm going to do it, and everybody can do it. Let's see how many people can predict the next resistance area. How about that? How about what Graham said? 902. 33,902. Graham and Paul. All right. Rad, did you get that? 33,902. All right. So that's above the daily pivot. That doesn't mean you have to go there, but it's a target. If it comes somewhere between here and there and hooks over, then you got another sell signal. Why did we get that, guys? Because we added 172 points from the exact low. Yeah, that's the next resistance. Doesn't mean it has to get there, but this way it calms you down. You don't have to jump in and say, oh, I'm going to go short. It's going down here. You just wait. Say, look, all the shorts are trapped. All the shorts they're going down. I got to go down. No, we got our targets. We should be happy with 100-point winners. 2 trades we've done so far. If anybody's not happy with that, I don't know what I can do for you. I can't just send you money. That's like the animals commercial for $19. I'll send $19 a month if anybody's really in bad shape. 880 is a good place, right? The other areas where we got in before at 880. So give the market a little chance. Look at the sell stop if you were just in this pivot, right? If you took that pivot and the parabolic stop is still trailing, you'd still be long. Get ready. All right, 6, 7 minutes are up. Yep, another bus will be coming. Let's get ready now. How many minutes? It's been 11 minutes since the open. So let's just relax and get ready. I'm going to reset my charts. Be right back in 25 seconds. And we're back. Sakasa is getting ready. If you want to jump in quickly on this one here at 8:20, that is a Sakasa cell signal. And it's after 6 minutes, so you had a permission to take this trade. For his target,
Order filled.
second target would be 7. Let's make it like 788 so far. $94 was your first target. 88 is your next target. Okay. Is your next target.
Order filled.
Everybody getting this? Good. Good job. $8.20 to $8.30 was your entry on the Sakasa. My original stop was $8.50. Where we were before. Remember when we did that 8.34 short? Everybody remember the second short we took? 8.34. This was the third one. So between 8.20 and 8.34 was the re-entry. See how having patience is good? You didn't have to go short at 740. You waited for at least 100 points for the market to stop out all the shorts, and then you get in. Isn't that cool? Wait for the other guys to take the loss, and then you go in. Lower your stops, please. Elite traders, guys, next target is 774 for our elite traders. The big boys with us. There you go, 774.
Order filled.
Trail it. One left. I've taken 4 off on the way down. Do I want it to go to 902? Nah. I want it to go to 702. Ha! Are you still in there, Dan? Still short? Great. Good job. And then you'll be done for the morning. You can go about other fun things to do. $782, if you remember, was our target earlier, but this time we got even lower at 774. So if you add up the trades so far, nice, Robert. So far we made 66 points, right? 66, 52, and 46. It's not bad. You can live with that, right? You can earn a living doing that. Right now, being out one more time, we're going to look for between 880 and 902. Now, 880 to 902 is our target selling zone, okay? Everybody flat now, right? Everybody flat? Yes? No? Good. Here's our selling zone right there. Doesn't go up there anymore. We're done for the morning. I'm almost ready for my second cup of coffee. Tape is actually bullish right now, guys. Tape is bullish. Tape says higher. So I don't know. Trend is down. Tape says higher. I want to be standing aside on this one, okay? Tape says higher. Trend is down. I mean, and I trust my tape reading skills over everything. Thank you, Dan. The only reason I won't take a long trade is because the trend is down. So that overrules. I want everything to be, I want the tape to be down and the trend to be down, then I'll short. Right now, tape is higher. To me, anyway, the way I've been taught. As soon as the offer rises, they hit it. The offer rises, they hit it. The bids lower, nobody hits it. So that says institutional buying, at least for now. It could change in 3 minutes. It's like Top Gun. 10 minutes, the battle's over. But at least it keeps me out of trouble, right? You can't lose if you don't have a trade on. Don't have to be in the trade every single second. We do not teach over trading. Are you long? Are you short? In and out. If somebody's doing that, they probably work for the brokerage house. Yeah, wait until the smoke clears. You're green so far, right, John? Green? Haven't traded yet? Okay, we'll get you more aggressive. There were some good sell signals in there. I'll teach you how to look for them. Yeah, there's some really good trades in there. I don't want you missing trades. You know, on one hand, it's good to be cautious after you've made your money. But if you haven't made the money yet, then, you know, we're going to have to get more aggressive. I think this double top gets broken to the upside. We'll see. I think we break 840 to the upside. We'll see. It just looks higher. If you're a counter trend expert, you can go long in here with an 849 target. If you are a counter trend expert, go long with an 849 target. Only if you're a counter trend expert. Tape does say higher. Then we'll see if we get to 880 for a short.
Welcome to Liberty Trading Club, everyone. Hopefully you've enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room, please visit libertytradingclub.com and register for your free 3-day trial. During your time with us, you'll have access to our live trade calls, participation in chat to have questions answered by a coach, as well as access to our live classes Monday through Thursday at 12 Eastern. Please like, subscribe, and share. And once again, start your free trial at libertytradingclub.com. After the first free 3 days, it's just $99 a month for trade room access. Please like, subscribe, and share.